Let's do some fresh lifted eye makeup for 30 plus skin. You want to start off with your eyebrows. Make sure that they're nicely filled in. I use this particular product, not too shaped but still full. Full eyebrows really help frame your face. That's the reason why we're doing it. Then you can take any eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this NYX one, and take a color that's a few shades darker than your own skin tone. Make sure to place the eyeshadow right underneath your arch of your eyebrow. Placing the eyeshadow here really helps open up your eye, gives great dimension to your eyes as well. As you can see on the left side, I don't have anything, and on the right side. To get the best angle of your eyeliner, place it on your nose and keep it diagonal to your eye and just press it down, and you'll have the best angle for an eyeliner. You can keep it half like this. It really helps in opening up your eye, or you can go in and connect it and have like a full wing eye. You can see a definite before and after with or without the eyeliner. I really hope this video helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section.